Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar was up slightly in skittish trading as investors awaited US inflation data later this week, while the Australian and New Zealand dollars rallied after China pledged an appropriately loose monetary policy next year. Global shares turned lower as traders focused on US inflation data and chip stocks fell, while Beijing's promise of stimulus and the sudden collapse of the Syrian government lifted oil and gold prices. Wall Street's main indexes finished lower, fueled by a decline in AI leader Nvidia that weighed on tech stocks, as investors looked ahead to a crucial inflation report set for later this week. Nvidia fell after China's market regulator launched an investigation into the chipmaker over suspected violation of anti-monopoly law. The dollar gained 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.9% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair rose 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.1% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.